In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're creating a captivating video presentation or simply fine-tuning your latest video clip, altering the text color can add that extra flair that draws your audience's attention and enhances the overall aesthetic of your project. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you walk away confident in your ability to make this customization on your own. First, let's start by opening up DaVinci Resolve on your computer. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful video editing tool that offers a wide range of features to help you craft professional quality videos. As you navigate to the software, make sure it's up to date, as having the latest version will ensure you have access to all the most current tools and features that DaVinci Resolve offers. Once you've opened up your project in DaVinci Resolve, locate the text element you want to edit. This could be a title, a subtitle, or any piece of text you've added to your timeline. Click on this text to select it. Once you have your text selected, you'll want to direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen where the inspector panel is located. The inspector is your go-to tool for making detailed adjustments and modifications to any element within your project. In the inspector, you'll notice various adjustment options. Look for the option labeled Color. This is where you can change the hue of your text to better suit your project's theme or your personal preference. By clicking on the Color option, a color palette will pop up, presenting you with a multitude of shades and the ability to customize your color choice precisely. Take a moment to explore the color palette. DaVinci Resolve provides both basic colors and more advanced options for fine-tuning, allowing you to adjust the hue, saturation, and luminosity. This gives you the flexibility to create exactly the look you envision. If you already have a specific color in mind, perhaps for brand consistency or thematic reasons, you can also input the exact RGB or hex color codes. Once you've selected your desired color, take a good look at how it appears with your text. Ensure it's legible and visually pleasing against the background of your video. Sometimes a color that looks great in isolation might not have the same impact within the context of your scene, so adjust as needed. It's often helpful to play through a segment of your video to see your changes in action. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully altered the text color in your video project using DaVinci Resolve. As you practice and become more familiar with these tools, you'll be able to make these adjustments quickly and confidently. I'm excited to see how you incorporate this technique into your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy editing, and